Welcome to Frame Upgrade. Today I'll show you how to fix a common problem of stock footage element that appears to be freezing or lagging behind. Here we are at the edit using Adobe Premiere Pro. First, let me show you what I mean by footage that appears to be freezing. Here, as you can see, the video behind the stock element is changing, but the stock footage has double frames and thus appears to be frozen. And this double frame issue occurs around every second throughout the timeline. Stock footage has double frames because it's in lower frame rate than your sequence, which in my case is 25 frames per second. If we select the stock clip on the project panel, we can see that the frame rate is 23.976 FPS, which is quite common, and this is why I've seen these freezing stock elements in many places. Luckily, there is a quick and easy fix for this problem. Right-click on the stock footage, select Modify, Interpret Footage, and here you can force a new frame rate for the clip. Let's change that to 25, which is the same as my sequence. Now let's see if there are any double frames where they used to be. Nope, the problem is fixed. The footage is running smoothly without any freezing issues. Since compositing is mainly done in After Effects, let me show you how it's done here. Right-click on the stock footage, select Interpret Footage, and change the frame rate. Problem fixed. You should always match the frame rate of stock footage element with the main footage you're going to composite them with. Do you use stock footage in your video productions, and have you encountered any problems using them? Let me know in the comments below. See you guys and girls in the next video.